Hello and welcome to this video tutorial where I'll be showing you how to organize the planning of your radio station. The Planning tab will allow you to schedule your playlists and programs to broadcast automatically. In other words, it's an efficient way to organize your broadcasts. To start, we're going to head over to the Scheduling tab and click on Planning. Here you'll see a weekly calendar where you can add the content that you would like to broadcast on your radio station. You'll find all of your playlists and programs on the left-hand side. To add a playlist or program to your planning, simply drag and drop it on the day that you want it to broadcast. Don't worry too much about putting it at the specific time, as you'll be able to configure that afterwards. Now that our Evening Chill playlist is on the planning, I'm going to right-click on it and select Edit. A window will appear, offering you several possibilities. Under Date, choose the start date of your content. So I want my Evening Chill playlist to start broadcasting today, so I'm going to leave today's date. Under Start, choose the start time for your content. Let's put 8 PM. Under End, choose the end time for your content. Let's enter 11 PM. You can also click on the magic wand so that the end time is automatically calculated according to the length of your playlist. Under Type, you can choose whether your content will broadcast sequentially, so in order, or randomly. Activate the Play at Fixed Time option if you want to make sure that your content is broadcast at a fixed time and does not wait for the end for the previous content. When Play at Fixed Time is activated, you'll be able to select a maximum delay tolerance. So we're going to choose 0 to make sure that our content is played at the exact scheduled time. We're now going to move on to the Repeat tab. Here you can choose if you want your playlist to repeat every day, every week, or every 2 weeks. Let's select every day. Then, enter a date at which you want the repetition to stop, or enter the number of times that you want your playlist to repeat before it stops. Finally, let's move on to the last tab, Incrustation. This option will allow you to encrust an element every X minutes within a time slot. You can insert a track if you want a specific MP3 file to broadcast every X minutes, or you can select a playlist. I'm going to add my jingles playlist so that a jingle broadcasts every 5 minutes. When you're done, click on Save. So we can see our playlist is scheduled to play every day from 8 PM until 11 PM. Let's head over to the Daily Generation tab and regenerate our day to make sure that our playlist will broadcast at the correct time. So let's regenerate. And let's take a look. We can see that our Evening Chill playlist will broadcast from 8 PM until 11 PM. And there you have it. You now know how to schedule your content to broadcast in the Radio Manager. Any questions? Head over to our knowledge base for more tutorials. They are categorized according to the tabs of your Radio Manager. Thanks for watching.